Hey, you know that moment when you realize the way you've been riding just isn't cutting it anymore. That's exactly where this bike comes in. The R7 is for the kind of person who knows that riding should feel effortless, not like a negotiation between you and the terrain. You've tried bikes that leave you winded on short hills or make you think twice about the route home. You've outgrown that. You want freedom, a real, everyday freedom that makes you smile before you even pedal. Before you dive deeper, take a second to check the current price and stock, because good electric bikes in this sweet spot don't hang around when people start realizing what they actually want. You knew it was time to upgrade the first time you looked at a hill and thought twice. The frustration of slow starts and shallow power delivery becomes obvious once you've lived with something stronger. You weren't unhappy with your old ride, you just deserved better. The first time you take the R7 out, you feel it. Smooth acceleration. The way that 750W motor surges with confidence instead of sputtering. You stop planning routes around hills and start choosing them for fun. That lightness of effort changes your whole perception of distance. You notice it on your commute when the city feels less like a chore and more like part of the day you actually enjoy. You feel it on weekend trail rides when traction on different surfaces feels reassuring instead of uncertain. Even quick errands feel different where once it was a task. Now it is a moment you actually look forward to. This isn't about hitting a top speed on paper. It is about what it feels like to glide past the parts of your old ride that used to hold you back. Once you experience that level of consistent momentum, lower-powered bikes suddenly feel like a test you never signed up for. If you even halfway thinking maybe you don't wait for stock to thin out or prices to drift. E-bikes that genuinely deliver keep moving fast. You might worry it as too much bike for everyday use. That doubt evaporates after the first few rides. The balance between power and control is just right and not overwhelming, not timid, just confident. Here is the part most people don't expect. The ride actually feels fun, not just functional. That oversized padded seat, the way the bike handles, the smooth power boost it turns every ride into something you look forward to, not just something you endure. There is a real pride that comes with owning something like this. You feel it when people look twice. You feel it every time you hop on and realize how simple life feels with the right machine under you. You feel it knowing you chose capability instead of compromise. Effortless hill climbs without strain, city rides feel smooth and playful, trails feel accessible. Not intimidating, every ride feels more enjoyable, not the lightest bike you'll find needs regular charging to stay ready. Eventually you stop comparing specs and start choosing the ride that actually fits your life. Every time you look at something weaker, you already know you miss the feeling this one gives you. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you put off and quietly regret later. If you're ready to ride with confidence, ease, and actual excitement, this is the moment you make it yours.